guys, welcome back to Talk Zone English. I'm Ethan.
And I'm Mia. How's your day been, Ethan?
It's been great, actually. I've just finished my coffee, and I feel ready to start the day.
Nice. I've already had 2 coffees today. I think I've had too much caffeine.
Ha 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 ha. You've had 2 already? Wow. So, what else have you done today?
Let's see. I've woken up early, I've done some yoga, and I've made breakfast. Oh, and I've fed my cat.
That's a busy morning. You've done a lot already.
Yeah, but I haven't checked my emails yet. I'll do that after we finish recording.
You said I haven't checked my emails yet. That's present perfect.
Exactly. We use it when something is connected to now.
So, let's help our listeners talk about their morning.
Good idea. Guys, listen and repeat after us. I've brushed my teeth.
Nice! Mia, what about you? Have you taken a shower yet?
Of course, I've taken a shower and I've washed my hair.
I can tell. Your hair looks nice today.
Oh, thank you. You've said something nice today. That's also present perfect.
All right. Now it's time to talk about work or study. Mia, what have you done so far today at work?
I've recorded one video, I've edited another one, and I've replied to a few messages from students.
Wow! You've worked a lot already. I've just started my workday.
What have you done so far?
I've read my schedule. I've answered a few emails, and I've thought about lunch.
Ha ha ha. Thinking about lunch already? It's only 10 a.m.
Yeah, but I haven't eaten anything yet.
Oh, that's present perfect again. I haven't eaten yet. It means it's true until now.
Okay, let's do a mini role play.
Sure, let's imagine we're friends catching up during the day.
All right. Hey, Mia, how's your day been so far?
It's been pretty good. I've had breakfast, I've worked a bit, and I've listened to music. How about you?
Mine's been okay. I've cleaned my room, I've walked my dog, and I've started reading a new book.
Oh, nice. What book have you started?
It's called The Secret Garden. I've only read 2 chapters, but I'm enjoying it so far.
That's great. I haven't read that one yet. Maybe I'll read it next.
All right, lunchtime. Mia, what have you eaten today?
I've had a sandwich and a smoothie. What about you?
I haven't eaten yet, remember? I've been too busy.
Oh, right. You should eat something soon.
Yeah, I will after this. So guys, you can also use present perfect with words like just, already, and yet. For example, I've just finished lunch.
Let's make it fun. I'll say a word and you make a sentence. Ready?
Let's do it.
Word 1, just.
I've just called my mom.
Nice. Word 2, already.
I've already cleaned my room.
Good. Word 3, yet.
I haven't watched TV yet. All right, now let's imagine it's evening. We're relaxing after a long day.
I love that time of day. You sit on the couch, drink tea, and think about what you've done.
Yeah. So, how's your day been?
It's been nice. I've finished all my work, I've cooked dinner, and I've watched a movie.
Which movie?
Inside Out 2. Have you seen it?
No, not yet. I've wanted to watch it for weeks.
You'll love it. It's really good.
Okay, I'll watch it tonight. Then tomorrow, I can say, I've watched Inside Out 2.
Now, let's talk about life experiences. Still present perfect.
Yeah, like, have you ever... questions.
Exactly. Okay, Ethan, have you ever traveled abroad?
Yes, I have. I've been to Thailand, Japan, and Italy.
Wow, lucky. I've been to Italy too. I've eaten the best pizza there. Pizza.
Oh, same. The pizza in Rome was amazing. Have you ever tried sushi in Japan?
No, I haven't been to Japan yet, but I really want to go.
It's beautiful. I've been once, and I've loved it.
Nice. Okay, one more. Have you ever met a famous person?
I've met one YouTuber at an event. What about you?
I haven't met any famous people yet, but I've seen one from far away.
All right, before we go, let's do a quick recap together.
Good idea. Let's go back through the examples we've used today.
I've had breakfast. I've brushed my teeth. I haven't eaten yet. I've just finished my homework. I've already seen that movie. I've never been to Japan.
Perfect. If you can say these sentences naturally, you're using present perfect correctly.
Now, your turn. In the comments, tell us 3 things you've done today and 1 thing you haven't done yet.
You've done a great job today. You've learned a lot and you've practiced speaking with us.
Yes, keep practicing this tense in your daily conversations. It's one of the most common ways native speakers talk.
If you've enjoyed today's chat, make sure you've liked the video. See, that's present perfect again.
And subscribe for more natural English conversations every week.
We've loved spending time with you today.
And we hope you've learned something new. See you next time.
See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.